58 right now in the Twin Cities. It's a comfortable Tuesday night. 46 in Hinckley, 57 in Marshall, 50 is the current temperature right now in Winona. Ooh, that's funky. What is going? Ooh. I don't really know what's going on. Oh man. Do you guys want one Jennifer or two Jennifers? This is what, this is
having a technical meltdown.
This is so
Can you lead that train off the monitor?
Wait, what now?
Can you lead that train off the screen?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my Lord.
Okay, our current temperature is 58 degrees. I have no idea what that was, but that was brilliant. Yes, it was. 41 for overnight low temperature, frost advisory in southeast Minnesota by tomorrow afternoon. I can't even talk right now. Sunny and warmer, daytime high of 67. By tomorrow evening, quiet and a few clouds, 56 for a temperature. Here's your 7-day forecast. We'll get you out of that crazy thing that just happened, whatever that was, funhouse-like situation.
It was like psychedelic and groovy, like a 1970s
Gave me a headache. That was too many of me. I can't even handle myself, let alone 10 of me.
All doing different things, by the way.
Oh gosh, all right, 67 tomorrow, 70 on Thursday, and over the weekend, cloud cover increases Friday, slight chance of rain Saturday and Sunday. Next week, back into the sunshine, but every single day, temperatures above average.
Whatever button you pushed, does it again.
I don't know what happened.